Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting with the right base. Import your photo and pick a neutral profile like Adobe Color so color shifts behave predictably. First, correct exposure, contrast, and white balance. This prevents chasing color issues later. Once those are clean, open the color grading panel. You'll see 3 wheels, shadows, midtones, highlights, plus global controls. Begin on one wheel only because making small, intentional moves reveals how each tonal range responds. That precision saves time later. Now you sculpt. Nudge the highlights wheel toward the target hue, then lift saturation in small steps, 0. 5 to 8 units, so skin and skies stay natural. Move to midtones and shadows next, because midtone shifts change mood while shadows anchor contrast. Use the balance slider to bias the overall effect toward highlights or shadows, depending on your image. Then switch to the color mixer to tame or intensify individual colors. This fixes one-color problems without wrecking the finish by toggling the color grading panel on and off to confirm improvements. Don't trust a single view. Make final global tweaks. Vibrance first, then saturation if needed to unify the image. Save your settings as a preset for consistency across shots and export using the highest quality settings. If you see banding, crushed blacks, or oversaturated patches, reduce saturation, lower luminance moves, or switch the profile to camera neutral. That usually resolves clipping and restores smooth tones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.